I breathed it in at the wrong time. G'day cocktail lovers, I'm in the kitchen again with none of my cartoony effects. So yeah, concoctions in the kitchen. I am tasting a barrel-aged cocktail. I shot a whole video making it and then I lost that video, which I blame on COVID. I think it's the week I was delirious. I deleted and then deleted my backups, which makes no sense, but I can't find the video. So it's just a tasting video. More than a little bit angry about that. This is a version of a cocktail called Colonial Ties, which is a riff on a Sazerac, essentially. It has a split base of whiskey and rum. Now, because I made this in a barrel, I made a litre of it, I could easily do a split even further. So this is made with 4 different sorts of whiskey, 4 different sorts of rum, a little bit of absinthe, and some sugar syrup. That's about it. Now, this is it before it was in the barrel. I saved some, didn't go in the barrel, and this is it after a month in the barrel. One big difference, it's darker when it comes out of the barrel. But now, aroma-wise, not a striking difference, but the big thing, the taste, what's it like? I really like this cocktail. I discovered it in the last 6 months or so. One of my favorites. Really boozy. I love boozy cocktails. And that's exactly yum like I remember it. But now, what's a barrel-aged version like? How can I describe the difference? It's richer, the taste is deeper. I had actually seasoned the barrel with some port for a couple of weeks, so it wasn't new oak that it was aging in. It's picked up a little bit of that smoky oak flavour that you get from a barrel, and it smoothed things out. Nice cocktail, but quite sharp, boozy, like a lot of heat, as people like to say. With the barrel aging, I breathed it in at the wrong time. Those really strong flavours are still there, but they are smoothed out. It's a very interesting, honestly comparatively subtle difference. I think it's worth doing. I made these videos to share with you. Is it worth getting a barrel and aging things? My short answer is yes, I think it is. I think it's a very interesting thing to do. And I'm going to keep exploring which cocktails go the best with barrel aging, and in fact, which spirits I can get a good result out of barrel aging. A lot of these experiments take months, so these little barrel videos pop up every now and then. I hope you enjoy them. Hope to see you again. I'm going to continue with my 2-fisting shenanigans, and I'll see you another time. Bye for now. Cheers.